Welcome to the Startup UBL Cell website and service booking system of the University of the Visual and Performing Arts. If you are an external business entity, partner, interested to receive a service through the university, or a staff, student or alumni interested to offer your specialized services, first you need to register by creating a new UBL account under your name. These are the steps of how to register and create a new account. Click Register as a student or staff in the login screen. A registration form will pop up. Then provide correct information required by the form. Step 1. Add a profile picture. Step 2. Enter your first name and last name. Step 3. Enter your email address and your NIC number. Step 4. Enter a username to identify yourself. If you are a student, enter the student number. And if you are a staff member, enter your staff number. Then enter your contact number and choose the user type as student or staff. Step 5. As service type, select the type of the service that you are hoping to provide to the university. If your service type is not representing here, please contact the UBL manager. Step 6. Under service provide type, select the nature, form of the service you provide. If you are providing the service individually, select individual. If you are providing the service as a group, select group. If you are a group, enter the information of the group on the next text box appeared. Then, under password, enter a new password for your UBL account. This password should consist of 8 or more characters. Step 8. Read the UBL terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, click Agree Terms and Conditions. If you have provided all the correct information, click Register. Step 10. To activate your account, check your email and verify the account. Following the approval of the UBL admin, you can access your UBL account by entering the username and password. For more information, contact us directly. Thank you.